Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to multi-snap on Snapchat on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, launch your Snapchat application. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now, at the right corner, you're going to find many icons. Click on the plus icon. You'll get this pop-up My Camera. And under that, you're going to find different options. Scrolling down, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of director mode. Now I can shoot the video. You have just shoot the video. You can click on preview. Now click on this plus icon to again multi-snap. Click the snap or shoot the video. Click on preview. So this way you can easily multi-snap on Snapchat. Once you are done, you can send it. So that's basically how you can multi-snap on Snapchat on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.